friends, Running Kimono here. So we're looking at the best curbside deals this week over at Walgreens. What you're going to do is order this stuff through your cell phone, desktop, computer. Hit that blue button for pickup. You drive to the store and get your order, and it is that easy. Know a lot of you enjoy these sort of videos. If you could possibly do me a huge kindness and give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would mean the world to me. And if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing. That would also make my day. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to look at is a food deal. Certain bags and boxes of the Cheez-Its, not all of them, but some of them are ringing up buy one, get one free. If you like to have these as snacks, put them in lunches, or just have them around, you know this is a very good value. These bags as well for $6.49. Now, at my store, I was very limited of how many Cheez-Its I could actually get in a transaction, so just be mindful of that. We're also going to load this digital coupon, which is $1 off too. That's attaching to that bag of Cheez-Its, not the boxes. So we're going to put 4 of the smaller boxes for $5.98. Remember, it's a buy one, get one free. So 2 of them will be free. That's why we're charged $5.98. And then 2 of these bags for $6.49. And one of them is obviously for free. So just looking at the overall basket here, see where it says enter code? You're going to put in the code WAG10 for an extra $1.15 off, which is kind of magical, along with your $1 off 2 Cheez-It coupon. So looking at the overall basket, it's $12.47, $1.15 from WAG10 coming off. Curbside pickup is free. $1 melting off of that manufacturer for $10.32. If you have $10 in Walgreens cash, I would use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay that 32 cents, and call this a very good deal. And let's remember, we're doing this deal without a booster. Now, let's just say you still have this digital coupon, which is a 3 off a 2 for the Kinder Bueno bars. If you wish to incorporate it in another deal, by all means go for it. Why not? It's attaching with these single bars still. In the app, it's not really showing, but if you throw 2 into a basket, it's going to reduce down to the cost. So just to show you, there it is, $2.58 melting off right there. So if you just wanted 2 extra chocolates with all of your Cheez-Its, make it happen. It's a larger total, but with this is food, so there is no tax. $10.32. If you're doing this with no booster, I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it and pay 32 cents and call this a super duper deal. Deal number 2, we're looking at using this booster, which is 10 back when you spend 30. This is a digital booster, and this is a ragtag of shampoo going with this deal, which is spend 25, get back $10 in Walgreens cash, along with I'd like to use that code GLAM20. So I'm going to get a $40 basket going. So the first item we're going to add is a NEXXUS mask for $3.99. One of the Shea Moisture shampoos for $10 on the nose. Another Shea Moisture shampoo for $11. And the final item that we're going to toss into the basket is a $16 NEXXUS shampoo. Now, we're going to load the following digital that include a $5 off a 2 for the Shea Moisture. Very critical you add 2 of those Shea Moistures. And then the $5 for the NEXXUS, so for that bottle at $16. So looking at the overall basket, guys, it's $40.99. Using that promotion GLAM20, we get $6.20 off. So in theory, you can use $4 of Walgreens cash, as the promotion is to spend 25, get back 10 on NEXXUS and Shea Moisture, and the basket is $30, spend 30, get back 10. If you use $4 in Walgreens cash and pay the rest with your debit card, you're going to meet that threshold to get both the GLAM20 off and then just some extra savings, because this is in theory a $30 basket, not this $40.99 business. So if you want to do that, by all means use $4 in Walgreens cash. This should work out for you. If you're fearful of it, just pay the whole thing with your debit card. It's only $4, but the math is mathing if you look at it and take apart the spend 25, get back 10, and spend 30, get back 10 as well. So hopefully that's making perfect sense. Okay, so the next deal that we're looking at is deal number 3. We are going to grab 2 of these Dove shampoos. They look pretty fabulous. They're $8 each, so a little bit of savings. And we have this 4 off of 2 digital coupon. At the very least, load it. Maybe we're going to have a deal in the next couple of weeks on this. We're also going to grab 2 of the Baby Ruths for $4. There's an IBOTTA rebate for 75-cent back for each bag. We're going to get $1.50 back. Plus, we're going to throw in 1 of these Febreze double packs of the plugs, and we have this $5 digital coupon that you need to load to make the party happen. So this is just a regular schmegular deal, just to show you the Dove, Febreze, and then WAG 10 coming off. If you cannot get the WAG 10 to attach, what I would recommend is to log out of your account and log back in, and you might have some success. Okay, so the total here is $21.99, $1.30 coming off for the promotion of WAG 10, free curbside pickup, a bit of tax, and $9 melting off. $12.72. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it. And then you're going to get that receipt and then photograph it to IBOTTA. And the final total here will be $1.22. Obviously $10 in Walgreens cash, but get your receipt. Make sure that they don't scan your order with the handheld Zebra, that they do it through a regular cash register so you can get that receipt. What a deal. Okay, so the final deal that we're going to look at involves, again, our friend, this booster. You can only use this once per store card, so pick wisely how you wish to use it this week. We're going to be grabbing one of these very fancy Olay Serum Super Serum. Ugh, I hate the little super saver. There it is for $34.99. It's expensive, but I know a lot of couponers here like the expensive skincare. Load this digital coupon, which is a $15 off, a very generous coupon. They want us to try this serum. We're also going to throw in 2 of these Garnier shampoos. There's a method to this madness, guys, I promise. And we have this 3 off 2 digital. Make sure you have that one loaded as well. Okay, so since this is like skincare, makeup, that sort of stuff, we can use Glam 20 again. So our $15 Olay, Glam 20 is taking 5 off, and then $3 off for the Garnier Fructis. So our subtotal is $42.99, and we have that Glam 20 $5 coming off, so that's actually $37.99, free curbside pickup, a bit of tax, and $18 in manufacturers melting off for a total of $22.27. If you factor in, it's a spend 30, get back 10. In theory, you can actually use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay the rest with your debit card and still be awarded the $10 of Walgreens cash for the spend 30, get back 10. That should work, and the math is mathing. If you're following, you're following. And if you're scared to use any Walgreens cash, just pay the $22.27 with your debit card. But if you want extra savings, you can use up to $5 of Walgreens cash to make this deal happen. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.